Okay, today I'm going to do a little short video, which is would help for your water pump, which I discovered, which a lot of people people didn't really teach me, but what I discovered, on top of your water pump, see that little hole right there? If you spin it, you can actually see the rod from here spinning around. That's actually, I believe, it's a lubricating hole. So my water pump was a little rough. So what I did was, I took silicone spray, and my straw just dropped on there. Grab it. And what I did was, well, if your fan is here, it's going to be a little hard for you, so you might need like a tube or something, a small tube enough that you'll be able to fit into that hole right there. Since I have the fan shroud on here off, I was able to fit in there easily. Let me put the camera down for a little bit, and let me see. I'm going to hook this back on. Sorry, doing this thing with one hand is not good. Tripod won't help either, so don't even comment on that shit. Where I'm gonna put the tripod, that's the question. I do have two of them now. Anyway, you see that whole spray bunch of them in there until you see how it's bubbling up, then spin it. It's gonna leak out on the bottom right there. Yeah, I know the engine is in. My engine is being sprayed right now for being clean. I sprayed a bunch of engine degreaser, so I'm waiting. And see how it's leaking? It's dripping down there. But if you spray enough and just spin this, like if you have your fan still on, spray it and then spin the fan. Of course the engine has to be off. Spray until you see the foam come up like that, and then just spin it. And somehow it actually lubricate the internal parts. Later on though, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put grease down there, like I don't know, one of those engine grease. I'm going to stick it down there, so that way I believe that's like an air hole. But somehow, when I start spraying that, it moves a lot smoother now. So it does lubricate. It does lubricate it somehow. But anyway, let me see, any more dripping? Yeah, a little bit left, see? So probably it would get your dirts and grimes and stuff down there from the engine going through there, because you can see how, let me see if I get closer. See how black that is up top there? So this is years. So what I'm doing is probably take some of the stuff off, and now look what happened. Look how smooth it is now. So that's about it on this video. I guess grease or lubricate your water pump.